Hey everyone! Today I'll show you one way to fold a rug. This method could be used for any size, but I'm demonstrating it on a smaller rug today. First, we're gonna fold the two sides and then making sure there's a gap in between, as you see here. Second, we're gonna fold that in half, and after that, we're going to start at one side of the rug, and we're just going to start rolling. But when you get to this part, make sure that you're gonna see me doing it now. You're not forcing any folds on the rug because you want to go with the flow of the rug. So just make sure that you are kind of smoothing it out as you go. And then right there, you're gonna see me kind of hugging that part inside the rug. So it's going in and we're not, pressing on the rug. And then you're all set. Please visit my website for more rugs and more information. Thank you.